7. At an event, there was total of 1,446 boys and girls at first. During the break, 20 boys and 3/8 of the girls went home. The number of girls remaining was 1/3 of the number of boys remaining. What was the difference in the number of boys and girls at first? Alright, so if you were to draw the models for this, we usually want to start from the last or second last statement. So in this case, the number of girls remaining was 1/3 of the number of boys. So can you guess how many units for girls and for boys? So if you were to guess for the girls is 1 unit and the boys is 3 units, then you're right. So it looks something like this. So now let's move to the second statement that says during the break, 20 boys and 3/8 of the girls went home. So for the boys, pretty straightforward. The total boys will just be these 3 units over here plus 20 boys. Then what about the girls? That's where it gets a bit, I would say, not so straightforward. So if you were to go to the girls over here, concentrate on it, right? So 3/8 of the girls went home. So what can we do? We can actually just put 3 parts. So 3/8 of the girls means 3 parts. And then from here, we can say the remaining that came by is 5 parts. So if I were to just write this down, then it looks something like this. 3/8 of the girls went home. So total girls is 8 parts, the denominator. Girls went home is 3 parts, and the remaining girls is 5 parts. Since the remaining girls is 5 parts, and the remaining girls is 1 unit, that means 1 unit is equal to 5 parts. So we can just put in the 5 parts over here. That's what we see over here. So 5 parts, 5 parts, 5 parts. Then you could see that we can actually create an equation based on this. And we know the total number of boys and girls are 144.6. So that means if you were to calculate from the model itself, it's actually 1, 2, 3, 4. So 20p plus or 4 times 5p plus 3p plus 20 is equal to 1446. So it's over here. So that means this will be 23p plus 20 equal to 1446. And if you were to simplify to get 1p, so 1p will be 1426 divided by 23, and this will give us 62. So we want to find the difference between the number of boys and girls at first. So total boys at first, we have to look at it, is 15p plus 20. And then this will just be 15 times 62 plus 20. And this will give us 950. Then the total girls at first will be equal to 8p, which is essentially 8 times 62. And this will give us 496. So now the difference is basically 950 minus 496. And this will be equal to 454. And that's the answer.